Hello, friends! Today, we're going on a fun adventure to learn about colors and numbers. Are you ready? Let's start! Look at these colorful balls. First, can you tell me what color this ball is? Great job! The ball is red. Now, how many balls do you see? Yay! You got it right! There are 4 balls. Let's keep going. Now let's look at these cute teddy bears. Can you tell me what color this teddy bear is? Awesome! The teddy bear is brown. Now, how many teddy bears are there? Fantastic! There are 3 teddy bears. You're doing great! Here are some toy cars. Can you tell me what color this toy car is? Great choice! The toy car is blue. Now, can you count how many toy cars there are? Great job! There are 5 toy cars. Vroom, vroom. Look at these colorful building blocks. Can you tell me what color this building block is? Yay! The building block is yellow. Now, how many building blocks do you see? Wow! You got it! There are 3 building blocks. Let's look at these cute stuffed animals. Can you tell me what color this stuffed animal is? Awesome! The stuffed animal is pink. Now, how many stuffed animals do you see? Great job! There are 4 cute stuffed animals. Wow! You've learned so much today. You're amazing at colors and counting. Don't forget to subscribe to Tickle Time TV for more learning adventures.